Bob. Tell me if you think I'm being selfish by not having a baby.
Which side you want me to be on?
You start reporting to me. I don't want a boss. Period. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Sonya's Glam and Gold. All new tomorrow at 10 on WeTV. Get more of Sonya's Glam and Gold life. Go to WeTV.com.
Some spots you just gotta love. But my spots, I just had to lose.
Garnier Clinical Dark Spot Corrector. A daily moisturizer powered by pure potent vitamin C.
It breaks up dark spots, lifts them away, prevents new ones from surfacing.
82% soft spot reduction. Dark Spot Corrector. And now, another skincare innovation from Garnier. New Dark Spot Treatment Mask. The first 10-minute tissue mask for an intense boost of radiance plus 24-hour hydration. Only from Garnier Skincare.
Let Busy Bone entertain your door with his playful, long-lasting choices and savory meaty milk. Get Busy, the world's most entertaining treats.
Dear Chex cereal, you've done the impossible. Made gluten-free cereals in a bunch of yummy flavors, like cinnamon Chex, honey nut Chex, and chocolate Chex. We're in cereal heaven. So thanks from the McGregors, because we love Chex.
We love when summer gets hot. It's the frizz, not so much. So I'm taking Pantene's 72-hour dare. Beat humidity for a smooth 72 hours. Get Pantene Smooth with Moroccan argan oil in a Pro V system. Help lock out humidity, keep frizz from forming. Go 72 hours smooth. Ditch the frizz. I dare you. Get Smooth from Pantene, the world's #1 hair care brand. Hair so healthy it shines. Hey, a perfect fit.
What are you doing?
Say hello to Mueller Corner. Rich and creamy Greek-style yogurt with a corner of delectable fruit. It could be the most delicious decision you make all day. Well,
Yeah.
one of them.
Yeah.
Mueller, are you ready for something new?
Hey, have you guys heard about probiotics? For digestive health? Yes, and did you know that Truebiotics is a daily probiotic that helps in 2 ways? It supports digestive and immune health by working in your gut, where 70% of your immune system lives. Try Truebiotics today.
Oh, so you're the reason my human doesn't have to bag my business and bury it in the trash anymore. Good. That's all.
Litter Genie. Easy litter disposal. Simply scoop, drop, and help lock in odors. Litter Genie. Your wish granted.
Treat yourself. I remember calling Amy, pitching her the show, and said, who knows what will happen, but we'll make something that we're proud of.
And I went out and I bought a mansion and I filled it with solid gold furniture.
Parks and Recreation on the Writers' Room, all new, Monday at 10 on Sundance Channel.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Anthony has gone overboard with his recent behavior, and I'm really not going to stand for it anymore. Because I feel disrespected by you, and you would not have